If we study the vibration of a pipe open at both ends, then which of the following statement is not true? In a pipe that is open at both ends, we need to determine which statement is not true. Let's first see the characteristics of a pipe open at both ends. First characteristic being harmonics. For a pipe open at both ends, both even and odd harmonics are produced. This is because both ends are antinodes, allowing for all the harmonics to be generated. Second characteristic being antinode at open end. At the open ends of the pipe, there are antinodes for displacement, while pressure nodes occur at these points. Third characteristic is pressure change. The pressure variation, that is nothing but the change in pressure, is actually zero at the open ends because these points are pressure nodes. The maximum pressure variation occurs at the nodes within the pipe and not at the open ends. Let us analyze each option one by one. Option A. Odd harmonics of the fundamental frequency will be generated. This statement is true for a closed pipe but not exclusively true for an open pipe, as both even and odd harmonics are generated in an open pipe. Let's check option B. All harmonics of the fundamental frequency will be generated. This statement is true as both even and odd harmonics are generated. Let us check option C. Pressure change will be maximum at both ends. This statement is incorrect. In a pipe open at both ends, the pressure change is zero at the open ends where there are pressure nodes. So we have our answer option C, that is incorrect. Let's also see option D. Antinode will be at open end. This statement is also true as there is a displacement antinode at each open end. Hence, the answer is option C, which is the pressure change will be maximum at both ends. And this statement is not true.